Hi, Matt here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. So we're holding our annual canned food drive sale. And so what we do is for every 5 cans of food donated, we'll give you $103 off your purchase. So we kind of have this explained here, but there's really no limit. So if you donate 25 cans, we take $583 off a purchase of this size. And so this is just something that we partner up with the Idaho Food Bank each year, and we try to help those this time of year that might need a little bit of assistance because, it's not great to be hungry. And so the other thing about this sale too and promotion is even if you're not in the market for flooring or carpet at this moment, we accept donations. Last year we had several people drop off food, and as you can see, we've already got some donations already this year. But we'd love to have you participate in this, and we make sure that it gets to the Idaho Food Bank so they can get it to those families and people that are in need this time of year. So it's kind of a win-win. You can get new flooring and by donating some food and get a discount. So we'd love to help you with your next project, and come see us here at Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.